Want to access NVIDIA's features? Let's create an account. First, open your browser and go to NVIDIA's official website. Click Sign In at the top right corner. Here, enter your email and tap Continue. Enter the display name, your date of birth, and create a password and re-enter the password to confirm it. A verification code will be sent to your email. Check your inbox and enter the verification code, then tap Continue. Now you just need to set up your NVIDIA's profile. Choose the options that you like or you prefer. Then tap Submit. And that's it, your account has been created. What's your favorite NVIDIA's product? Let's chat in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.